Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Roti, chowmein or Chapathi noodles. You can prepare this recipe within 10 minutes. Let's get started. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped green chilli. Saute for 2 minutes on low heat. Now add half cup chopped cabbage and 1/4 cup of chopped carrot and salt. Adding salt at this stage cooks the vegetables faster. Here for carrot I used peeler so that it will come thin and long within less time. Saute 4 minutes on medium heat. Meanwhile, we'll cut the chapatis. Now roll the chapatis or rotis as shown in the video. And now cut the chapatis as thin as you can. For this recipe, I prepared fresh chapatis, but you can prepare this recipe with even leftover chapatis or rotis. I am using 3 chapatis for this recipe. Now the vegetables are cooked perfectly. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for 1 minute on low heat. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of red chilli powder and saute for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. You can adjust red chilli powder as per your taste. Add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Now add chapati pieces and mix well. More breakfast recipes and snack recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Finally, add some coriander and mix well. You can serve this roti chowmein or chapati noodles as a breakfast or even as a snack. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Very tasty chapati noodles or roti chowmein is ready. Serve hot. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.